problems that we're going to sort out right now. She's got a mid-cervical problem, she's got a TL junction problem, and an L5 problem. So we're going to get them all adjusted out. So, Rach, should we have you lie on your back first? So we're going to go C6 first. That's it, just in there, and it's gone into flexion. It's kind of sticking out a little bit. It's a minor curve reversal, so we're going to put an adjustment straight through up over there. Nice and heavy. Drop your chin right down. There, good. Nice and relaxed. That's the one. Perfect. That's good. You can really feel how that curve is nice and smooth. It's coming through again. She's been looking down all day helping patients, and that vertebra just locked a bit on that side. So we need to go on your front to get this T1 adjusted as well. On the right side. Drop that down a little bit. If you're adjusting T1s, if you're a chiropractor, sometimes it helps just to change the angle on the couch just a little bit. And use the breathing cycle. Come this side. Nice breath in. Go on there. All the way out. Drop your head over. Let your shoulder relax. Put a bit of a stretch in. That's the one. Perfect. Really good. That was nice. Alright, Rachel, just pop yourself on this side. We've got a little rotational problem. It's T12. So get that adjusted as well. Shoulder right through. And hand. That's it. There we go. Breath in. All the way out. That's the one. Perfect. And then we'll check that L5 on this side. Nicely straightened out today, haven't we? Hey? Take a breath in. All the way out. Let your knee come over. That's the one. Perfect. Really good. Excellent. Oh, sorted.
That was a good bit.
Should I do an introduction or?
You think I'm filming?
Luckily you can edit.
So this is Rachel, one of our chiropractors.
Hi.